I get asked, what do I do for spring cleaning? You guys, I don't spring clean. My house is divided into zones for cleaning, and I learned this method from the Fly Lady, and each week is a turn in that zone to either declutter or to deep clean. I get asked, what do I do for spring cleaning? You guys, I don't spring clean. You could do 15 minutes a day in each of the zones. You can use it to declutter. If you're past decluttering, you could use it for the deep cleaning. I do both because of my schedule. I pick a day during the week. So that's like my 15 minutes during the week, all together in 1 hour to accomplish my zone. In zone 2, which is the kitchen, you can spring clean stuff like this. You can empty fridge and clean thoroughly, clean microwave inside and out, clean stove and oven, wash containers or knickknacks, straighten drawers and cabinets, wipe walls, wash windows, clean exhaust hood and filter, scrub cabinet doors, clean light fixtures, clean under sink, clean pet dishes. And you could pick just a couple of those things to do 15 minutes a day, or like I like to do is just take 1 hour. Are you ready? Come clean with me. Aprons on, let's go.
Sometimes I grab the vacuum and pick up any big pieces that are in the oven or any of the salt that I may have thrown in from a fire. Yeah, no.
Well, I was gonna show you how I clean my oven, but I'm out of my Norwex oven and grill cleaner. I didn't realize I was, and I have none in stock, so I'm gonna have to order some. But if you wanna see how I clean my oven, click up here or down below on how I clean my oven, because that's how I clean my oven. Let's keep going.
So I'm just putting back the racks in my oven, and look, I put one in crooked. I didn't even notice.
That's embarrassing.
Okay, to help with my hard water issue here, especially here in Utah, I'm using the Descaler. It has enzymes that eat away at all hard water. I'm gonna use it on my refrigerator. I just give it a good spray and let it set there for a few minutes and then come back and wipe it out.
I'm very real here on YouTube, and I'm gonna show you what a real messy microwave looks like. Can you believe her microwave? Oh, I can't believe she lets it get that bad. Seriously, how easy is it to wipe it out? I know, right? So I'm gonna put this in the microwave for about 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna let it sit, and then I'm gonna go in there with my Envirocloth. I'm gonna take all that right out. That was all cleaned and wiped out just by a dry Envirocloth. But how good does that look from just the steam of a cup of water, a little bit of lime, and the Envirocloth? Pretty dang good, and that took me like, what, a minute?
I'm just shining up my microwave with that purple window cloth. It's from Norwex. I'll have a link down below if you want to know more about it. But it shines all my black appliances beautifully. I laid a paper towel on top of my stove to collect anything that had fallen out from cleaning the microwave. So all I have to do is just pick it up and throw it away. Or you could lay down a cloth, pick it up, shake it out in your sink, and you're done.
It's amazing the grease that can get on top of your range and on top of your microwave and your cabinet doors. This Envirocloth is amazing. So every time I do my night routine, I give like where we normally grab like the handles and stuff like a quick wipe. But I try to at least once a month really wipe down these cabinets. My utensil drawer is not making me happy. It's a little cluttered. I want to take out the trays, wash them, wipe down the inside, go through some of this stuff.
Now the before shot were all the pot holders, the dish towels, and just the hand towels just thrown in there and no order. What I'm using in the drawer is from IKEA. It's a drawer organizer divider.
I like to interrupt to remind you I like to break stuff in my kitchen. But it was a casserole dish and it shattered into a zillion pieces. That is just the last that I'm picking up. If you break things in your kitchen, I want you to know you have a partner in crime. I picked the things I wanted to get done and I did them. Great thing about cleaning in zones is that it's gonna come around again. You don't have to finish every project that you want to get done. Like everything that I wanted to get done in here, I didn't get done. That's okay, because in 4 weeks, guess what? It's coming right back. That's why I love zone cleaning. And we will see you soon. Bye.